Today I'm going to be showing you how to lay this $1,000 wig by Toni. Okay, so I have $1,000 wig that I'm working with today from Toni. Um, and I'm going to be cutting my hairline out first before I install it. I already started to cut, but I have to finish. The lace looks gorgeous. And yeah, let's hop into it. So now that I'm cutting out my hairline, most people don't do this until it's on. I got bars though. Now I'm going to use the top color to the third color to the right, and I'm going to try to see if this is my color first. Color match it. And my face is like that because I have teeth whitening strips in my mouth while I'm getting together. I'm preparing for an event. But I'm just going to go on the cap with this darker tone. I ended up getting banana powder and putting the banana powder on top because I felt like it wasn't light enough for my skin tone. And you could put the got to be glued, but I didn't want to because I didn't want to ruin the wig just yet. I still have the same wig, by the way. Okay, so I'm almost finished putting that first color, and that's when I start realizing it's not going to be light enough for this wig because the lace is kind of tan already. So now I have my banana powder in my brush, and I'm going to apply it really thick. I did a really thick layer, and it was super cute. Now I have my alcohol to clean up the excess banana powder on my hair, and I'm just doing my hairline. Simply my hairline. Nothing more, nothing less. Just cleaning it up before I glue it on. And then after that, you just glue it on. And then you style it however you want it styled. And that's just that.
Oh,
ooh,
shit.
I forgot I dropped that. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and subscribe to my channel.
Beautiful, and this